In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send confirmation emails from Google Forms. So, whether you're using Google Forms for surveys, event registrations, or feedback, being able to automatically send a confirmation email is a handy feature. Let's jump right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to Google Drive. This is your hub for creating and storing all your Google Docs, Sheets, and of course, Forms. Once you're in Google Drive, look to the top left corner of the screen and click on the New button. This button allows you to create a variety of Google documents, and for today's session we want to select Google Forms. You'll see it listed under the drop down. Go ahead and click that. Now that you've begun a new form, you're faced with the choice of templates. For simplicity and customization, choose a blank form. This will give you a clean slate to build exactly what you need without any preset structures. Next up, let's give your form a name. This is important because it helps both you and your responders identify the form's purpose. Think about what the form is being used for and title it accordingly. Once you've named your form, you can start setting up your questions. Consider what information you need from your responders and build questions that capture those needs. You can choose between different types of questions, like multiple choice, short answer, or paragraph responses, depending on the information you're looking to collect. After your questions are in place, it's time to adjust the settings to collect responses effectively. Click on the settings icon, usually represented by a gear symbol. Then navigate to the responses section. Here you want to make sure you're collecting email addresses from your responders. This ensures that you can send confirmation emails to participants after submission. Moving on, to enable automatic email notifications, you'll need some add-ons. So click on the three-dot menu at the top right of the form editor, and then select add-ons. Browse through and search for an add-on called Form Notifications. Once you find it, click on it and then click Open. This add-on is crucial for setting up your automated email notifications. With the Form Notifications add-on open, one of the first things you'll do is enable the option to notify on form responses. You can add recipient emails here, which could be your email or a team's communication email depending on your workflow. Then set the notification frequency. Ideally, choose to notify for each form response so you're updated promptly. Don't stop there. Enable the thank you email as well so your responders receive a prompt acknowledgement of their submission. This small step assists in improving the overall user experience. You can further tailor this email by customizing the subject and body to make it more personal and informative. Once you're satisfied with all these settings and configurations, remember to click on Save Configuration to ensure everything is properly set up. And there you have it, you've just configured your Google form to send out confirmation emails. This powerful feature enhances communication and ensures that everyone involved is kept in the loop.